Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Arlene Santiago from Tabuk City, Philippines, 29 years old, married with two children, ages 9 years old and 5 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have one sister and two brothers, and I am the eldest of the family. My father's name is Francisco Basa, and my mother's name is Divina Basa. Mom and Sir, I am here to apply as a domestic helper from your country because I am very much willing to learn, and I also know how to take care of the children, and I can do household, cleaning, cooking, and doing the laundry, gardening, and going to the market. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I promise to do my best to work hard from your family. I will treat and love your children as my own. I promise to finish my contract with you. Thank you and God bless.